I'm Rob Lidico with Fresh Tracks. Just want to interview Lisa here after surfing out here in, we'll say north of Kona. And just want to ask you a few questions. So how'd you start surfing?
I didn't know how to swim before, and back in 2019, then I was just mesmerized by the ocean, and I needed to swim. I needed to learn how to swim, and I did. And just last year, I learned how to. I got a couple of lessons, surf lessons, and I started, surfing almost every day, and it's fun. It's my meditation. It's my stress relief, and it's just been awesome.
Wow, yeah, you're really good for the amount of time that you've been surfing. And so, how often do you surf? I mean,
Almost, like I said, it's almost every day. So
every day.
sometimes twice a day.
Well, thanks so much for coming out and showing us a little bit of aloha and what Hawaii's all about. And boy, we sure enjoy coming out here and watching you ride those waves. So thank you so much.
You're welcome. Aloha.
If you're in Hawaii and you're an athlete, Lisa is very humble, but she's a doctor of traditional Chinese medicine. She specializes in sports medicine. People travel from all over the world to come and have her help them. And you can easily remember her website, which is www.aloha.com. If you want to know what Aloha is all about, just watch this clip again and this young lady right here doing what she's doing.
Yay! All right, thank you.